Hello everyone, today's menu will be Asian meatballs. They are sweet and salty with a hint of spice. So if you're ready, let's get baking. Okay, in a large bowl I have ground beef and I'm going to add in an egg, some Panko, garlic powder, and this is ground ginger and black pepper, and then some green onions. And then some sesame oil. And then with clean hands, just want to give it a mix, combine everything well. If you want, you can go ahead and use a spatula too. But like I always say, your hands are your best kitchen tools. It is very slimy, but if you just keep working with it, it will turn out to be perfect. This smells amazing. A little bit of sesame oil go a long way, so you don't want to overpower that. And if you don't have panko, you can go ahead and use breadcrumbs, or you can also use flour. Okay, this looks good. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and I also have a cookie scoop. If you don't have a cookie scoop, then you can go ahead and just make the meatballs with your hands. And then I'm just going to scoop out the meatballs. Another way you can do is, if you don't have a cookie scoop, or you don't want to use your hand, you can go ahead and use 1 tablespoon measuring cup, and that will scoop it out without really dirtying your hand. The thing that I love about meatballs is that they are so versatile. You can make them into like so many types of dishes, and not just that, but you can make it into American style. You can make them into Italian, Asian, Indian, Mexican. It just goes on and on. And these are about 1 inch. It kind of looks a little wild right now, but once we form them, it'll be a little better. Okay, and then I'm going to just roll the meatballs a little bit just to make them look more round. If you want, you can just go ahead and just bake them as is, but they just won't turn out as pretty. Okay, and just to show you guys how they look. Alright, and these are ready to go into the oven. Meanwhile, the meatballs are cooking. Here I have a small bowl, and we're going to start making the sauce. And here I have some Hoisin sauce, some apple cider vinegar. You can go ahead and use rice vinegar too, rice wine vinegar. And then some soy sauce. And then some Sriracha. This is just a little bit, so it won't be spicy. But if you don't care for spice, then you can go ahead and just omit this. And then here I have some ground ginger and some Asian chili flakes. And if you don't want any Asian chili flakes, that's just optional. And then go add a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, and then I'm just going to mix it to combine. Oh, this smells so good. Alright, this looks good. And then we're just going to set this aside until we're ready to use. Here is the end results of the Asian meatballs. I hope you'll give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.